Ever dream of sharing your knowledge with the world and making a huge impact? The online course industry is booming, reaching over $1 billion. It's never been easier to package your expertise, create a valuable product, and build a thriving online business. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or a marketing guru to make it happen. This is where Course Creator comes in. This revolutionary system empowers anyone, regardless of their technical skills, to build, film, and sell their online courses effortlessly. Yes, you read that right, effortlessly. We're talking about a seamless, intuitive platform that guides you through every step of the process. Imagine creating a course that lights you up, attracts eager students, and generates passive income while you sleep. This dream is closer than you think. Let's dive in and explore how Course Creator can make it your reality. We believe in simplicity. That's why we designed Course Creator around 3 easy-to-follow steps: build, film, and sell. No complicated tech jargon, no overwhelming features, just a streamlined process that gets you up and running in no time. First, you'll build your course using our intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Organize your content into modules, upload videos, add worksheets, and create quizzes, all with a few clicks. Next, film your course content using our simple yet powerful recording tools. No fancy equipment needed, just your passion and expertise. Finally, effortlessly sell your course through our integrated marketing and sales platform. We provide everything you need to attract students, process payments, and manage your online business. Gone are the days of complex course creation software. With Course Creator, building your online course is as simple as organizing your thoughts. Our user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to structure your content, upload your materials, and customize the look and feel of your course. Imagine effortlessly dragging and dropping modules to create the perfect flow for your students. Upload captivating videos, insightful presentations, and downloadable worksheets with just a few clicks. You can even create interactive quizzes and assignments to keep your students engaged and track their progress. And the best part? You have complete creative control. Choose from a variety of stunning templates or customize your course design to match your brand. With Course Creator, building your dream online course is not only easy but also incredibly fun. Lights, camera, action. Filming made effortless. Filming your course content might seem daunting, but with Course Creator, it's easier than you think. Forget about expensive cameras and complicated editing software. We provide you with all the tools you need to record high-quality videos directly within the platform. Our built-in recording feature lets you capture your screen, webcam, or both simultaneously. Share your presentations, demonstrate techniques, or deliver inspiring lectures, all with crystal-clear audio and video. And if you need to make any edits, our simple editing tools make it a breeze to trim, cut, and enhance your recordings. We believe that your expertise is what matters most, not your technical skills. That's why we've made filming your course content as simple and stress-free as possible. From screen to sale, effortlessly selling your course. Creating your course is just the first step. Now it's time to share it with the world and start generating revenue. Course Creator's integrated marketing and sales platform makes it incredibly easy to attract students, process payments, and manage your online business. Our intuitive platform allows you to create a beautiful and functional sales page for your course in minutes. Showcase your expertise, highlight student benefits, and offer irresistible pricing options. We also provide you with powerful marketing tools to promote your course and reach a wider audience. From email marketing integrations to social media sharing options, we've got you covered. And with our secure payment gateway, you can easily accept payments from students worldwide. Managing your online course business has never been this simple and efficient. Real stories, real success. Inspiration at your fingertips. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real people just like you who have achieved incredible success with Course Creator. From seasoned entrepreneurs to first-time course creators, our platform has empowered countless individuals to share their knowledge, grow their businesses, and transform their lives. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for baking into a thriving online course business. Or John, a retired teacher who now shares his love of history with students worldwide through his engaging online courses. These inspiring stories are a testament to the power of Course Creator and the potential that lies within you. We believe in your success, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Our dedicated support team is always available to answer your questions, provide guidance, and help you overcome any challenges you may encounter. We also host regular live coaching calls where you can connect with our team and fellow course creators, share insights, and stay motivated on your journey. Ready to dive in? Your online course journey starts now. The world is hungry for your knowledge, your experience, and your unique perspective. Course Creator gives you the power to package your expertise, create a valuable product, and build a thriving online business, all with ease and simplicity. No more excuses, no more delays. It's time to take action and turn your dream of sharing your knowledge into a reality. Join the Course Creator community today and start building the online course business you've always envisioned. We can't wait to see what you create.